Hi, good day, my friend. Today I want to make this small tutorial. Today is the 24th of December, and I make that video to inspire you to work online for this next year, 2019. There are many ways that you can work online as entrepreneurs. For example, you can start your one YouTube channel. You can start making videos. You can earn money with YouTube. On YouTube, you can put different affiliation links in your description. And when the person see your video, maybe some click in your affiliation link, and if they buy the stock that you are promoting in your channel, you're going to earn the commission for that. One more way that you have to work online for this 2019 is making some website, put good content, make some articles, for example, to lose weight, to improve in your personal goals, make some affiliation marketing programs, and you can start generating some income. And when you have a lot of viewers, you want to earn some commission for the advertising that Google is going to put in your website. And one more way that you have to work from home is a freelancer. You can make some works in Fiverr, in Upwork, on freelancer platform, and you can make some translation. You can work from can improve in the website from different persons. For example, they one person to write articles, one person to make translation, one person to increase the search engine optimization for the website, and you can make this work for that person that are paying from $20 to $100 per day, and you can earn this commission if they choose you. For example, you can make one Shopify store. You can become in e-commerce, and you can earn different commission for the stuff that you resell in your store and make the drop shipping to your clients. One more way that you have to make money online is becoming an independent representative of different companies that are going to pay you as independent representative. For example, Work Ventures is one company that is going to pay you as independent representative. The 4% group is going to pay you for as affiliation marketer. You're going to promote this platform, and when somebody go inside of that system, they're going to pay you from the 40% until the 75% of the different program that they are selling inside of the platform. But I started to work on World Ventures. It's an amazing company that you can be in the DreamTrips Gold and the DreamTrips Platinum, or you can be an independent representative and earn some money from that company. When you are in the DreamTrips, you have different program, and you're going to make locals trips and you're going to make international trips. And you're going to enjoy your life, you're going to save money traveling, and they're going to teach you everything about the entertainment industry. And you're going to travel with your family, your friends, you're going to save some money, and you're going to earn some money if you become an independent representative. And they have different programs that you have to check inside of my website. That is tip and travel. Check in the description of that video, and you can check for your own all the benefits that you're going to have when you are inside of the DreamTrips, or when you are an independent representative for that company. For example, I am promoting World Ventures in my website, in YouTube channels, on Facebook, on Instagram, on all the social media platforms. You can make the promotion of that company. How you can save money when you are inside World Ventures company. Well, for example, one trip to Punta Cana, Dominican Republic, going to cost you $154 for 4 days and 3 nights. And you're going to save money when you're going in any travel all over the world, where the World Ventures company has some companies that work together with World Ventures. And the DreamTrips, you're going to receive one reception when you arrive to, for example, you're going to Cancun or Mexico. They're going to make a good reception for all the members of your DreamTrips. And they're going to give you a good welcome reception, where you're going to share with you all the culture, all the cocktail that they have in that hotel. They're going to give you one handbag with all the stuff that you need for that trip. And the amazing program at the Robia point that is inside of the DreamTrips. These Robia points, you're going to earn this point. You're going to use that point for your next trip. If you go in any restaurant, you're going to eat the best food that they are offering. And when you pay the bill, you're going to take a picture of the bill, you're going to scan it. One code that has the bill, and you're going to, for example, you spend $180 US, you're going to get 180 Robia points for your next trips. And there are a lot of benefits you're going to receive when you are inside of the World Ventures company. Well, that's it for today, my friend. I'm only going to tell you that I desire you a Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year. God bless all of you. I would like to invite you to subscribe to my channel. Thank you. Bye bye.